Today I'm going to show you how to integrate whatever third-party app you're currently using into Asana. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight into the right. You'll see your profile picture, click on that, go down to settings. Within settings, you'll see quite a few different options. What you want to do right at the top is look for apps. Now, right over here, you will have a few options. Initially, you will have the Asana desktop app and the mobile app. That's not what we're looking for. We want to integrate apps into Asana. So here are some commonly used ones, but if you click on see all apps, you'll be taken directly to the App Store. Okay, this is Asana's App Store equivalent. Over here, you can see on the left-hand side, you can filter out by collection, category, partner types. You can even build an app and learn about their API. And then, if all else fails, you can literally go ahead and you can search in over here. Okay. Once you've found what you're looking for, you're literally going to go ahead and click on whichever one you would like to integrate. You will see right at the top, it'll say install. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to a page where you will have to give permissions and grant access to the account that you're selecting. All right, go ahead, click on allow. If it's not you, click on not you. Log into the appropriate account, regardless of what app it is, and you will then have this app integrated into Asana. Quick, easy, and you can put everything now in one space.